What's up guys, Sean here, founder of Shock Surplus. After a bunch of demand, we are rolling out same-day shock service. What does that mean? It means you could drop off your truck here in the morning. We're gonna remove your shocks, we're gonna clean them up, we're gonna rebuild them, and we're gonna put them back on your vehicle within 24 hours so you could be back to the adventure. No more sitting around waiting for 2 weeks while your vehicle's on jack stands and getting rebuilt. No more shipping time delays, none of that. We're really excited to open this up to SoCal. We rebuild Fox, King, Icon, Bilstein. Let us know how we can help you guys make it happen. Can't wait to see you.